Connor Workman. I'm studying level 2 health and social care at Llandrillo College, and I want to be a primary school teacher. It was last year at Dragai, based in Abergele. I was asked would I consider getting involved because of my sister. I played rugby for a long time, stopped due to injury, and that's how I got involved. It was just a question, and I said yeah, give it a go. I run Colwyn Bay under 7s at the moment, going up to under 8s. I get involved with Dragai, do different things throughout the club. Launched Dragai, which is excellent for girls rugby. It's promoting wellbeing and all sorts of different things with girls rugby, which is on the up at the moment in North Wales. Being outdoors, you're meeting new people every time, speaking to different people, finding out about them, getting involved, and all sorts of different engaging with different people and things like that. Parents. That is the toughest thing going. When you're refereeing, you've got the parents on the sideline, and that is the one thing, but at the end of the day, you've got to keep you cool. You can't have a go at them, you've got to remember you're the referee, you're setting an example. You've got to be outgoing, you've got to be positive, you've got to be motivated. Self-motivation is key to be an important coach. You need planning, organisation, and generally being able to communicate with different people. Get involved firstly. You've got nothing to lose, so just get involved. Doesn't matter how many hours you can commit to, but at the end of the day, just get involved. You're making a difference to so many kids' lives. I'm going to stay for another 2 years to do level 3, and then hopefully do level 4, and then go to uni to study as a primary school teacher. I understand people's backgrounds and how they've been brought up and how to treat people better without seeming patronising or demeaning. Going into primary school teaching, something I can bring to a school, qualified in rugby coaching, and I'm able to perhaps run a club with rugby or get involved generally in rugby. Promotes well-being, their mental health will be better than say they're just sitting on their Xbox or whatever, because mental health is a big thing at the moment with the stigma around it and not going outdoors.
We've benefited massively from having Connor coming in. He's brought a new skill set. He's helped a year group that were not so confident in teaching tag rugby, and he's been able to help the teachers by showing them new games and new ways of doing stuff. But also for the children, they've really enjoyed having the opportunity to learn how to play tag rugby. He's then come along to competitions with us. He's managed the team. He's been a great role model for the kids. They really look up to him, especially for those kids that sometimes can struggle in a classroom environment. They often, they shine when they are doing PE and they're given responsibility outside the classroom. So for them to have someone like Connor to look up to has been it's been really, really good for them, and they've really benefited from that.
Basically, without the volunteers and the young ambassadors, young girls and boys wouldn't get the opportunity to play rugby and basically have a go. When I was their age, there was nothing like this, and I was 15 when I started, and I played with senior women. So to have the opportunity to play at such a young age is just superb.